Okay, this is gonna be a video that I cannot put my finger off the thing while I'm drawing. This is hard. Even my eyes look weird. Okay, here's the hair. Good. The mouth. Okay, now the body. Yeah, that's better. The hands. Oh my gosh, that looks so bad. Okay, there's my other hand. So bad. Like the other drawings. Hey! Anyways. Ugh, my finger's burning up. I have to get through it. Trying. Oh, I can't feel it. Ah, come on, I can't feel it in. Whatever. Okay, time to draw the sun. Ah, my finger's burning up. My finger's burning up. I'm gonna